Hi there, Lucas from UQ Army here. In this video, we'll go over a type of QR code that will keep your customers and employees safe, the COVID form QR code. The pandemic brought with it insurmountable challenges, one of them being how to keep businesses working while also providing a sense of security. Enter the COVID form QR code. It is a unique type of QR code that can be used for screening or contact tracing. When people scan a COVID form QR code, they are requested to enter their name, phone, and email address and answer questions related to COVID symptoms or exposure. You will then be able to know via the form's responses if someone that visited your premises may be infected and act accordingly with all the information at your disposal. Speaking of information, since it's a very sensitive issue, you are free to delete it whenever you want. The driving force behind the COVID form QR code is to help us all stay safe. Whether you have a restaurant, a hotel, or a hospital, customers and employees alike will be welcomed into a safe place that follows all guidelines and protocols. If you want to create a COVID form QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.